7. Take out the horse's legs, push them off like...
Nothing can hide from us, Enkidu. They are vigilant. Best not go now, Enkidu.
What the? Hey! Down with you!
Your master, dog!
Hold on!
Fuck! Hey! Come out! I know you. It's blood.
Dead.
Hold on! Yeah!
Wait, what? What?
Fate calls.
Dog!
They are a threat no more. Fly free, Enkidu.
I've been watching the Amir's day.
Right. And back we go. I'll keep a lookout anyway. What the? I'll dismember you slowly.
no point getting more work.
What's happening?
We'll stay awake.
Too obvious? Hey!
Hey, what? Hell!
Stop right there!
Was here.
Hey, what?
Sure.
I'll hold on! Ah!
Well, that was exciting.
Lend me your eyes.
Die now! go. Now.
What in the name of your rules? You need your eyes open.
Wait just a...
An army wouldn't get through us.
Nothing.
Plenty of men.
The governor returned. I'm not sure. I did not see him go upstairs.
Something going on. What the?
Hey, what's going on?
Got your back.
I'll silence you!
What's left of you when I'm done?
Can't avoid me forever.
Don't worry.
Poverty was my only crime. Free me of these chains, please.
Wait, what?
That's odd.
Hey! What?
Hey! Done so well. Eyes out.
Muhammad ibn Tahir's office at last. Ocean, desert, cobra, dove. It seems he is an admirer of Arib the poet. The Tahirids agreed to withdraw their protection from Alamut at the governor's request. The Hidden Ones are betrayed. The governor has been tracking the rebels and the Hidden Ones.
You can tell your masters I've had copies made. Shred that page, slit my throat. Our bargain stands.
My masters?
The masked cabal, the order of... I don't care. Are you not in their service?
Are you not in their service?
I serve the Khalifa. I serve Allah. And I do it without hiding my face. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Why were you giving commands to Asif at-Turki, a member of the Order?
The brute was stoking the fire of 1,000 rebellions. Thankfully, someone spared me the trouble of putting him down. A hidden one, I heard. Are you the one to thank?
I read your letters. You forced your cousins to remove their protection from Alamut. You sold us to our enemies.
And brought peace to Baghdad. You've already helped yourself to the receipt.
Abu Abdullah's oath of allegiance. What does he have to do with anything?
His ambition would have torn the Khalifa apart. I offered the Order Alamut. They gave me assurance he'd threaten us no more.
So to trap a fox, you loose a wolf. The Order will see Baghdad burn, Governor. History will judge you for this.
History can hang me for it. I'll leave this world knowing that there is courage in compromise.
There is also cowardice.
How old are you? 20? I was about your age when I came to this city. Righteous beyond reproach.
What happened?
I grew up. If you really wish to spare Alamut, turn that blade on your enemies.
Give me their name. The one you brokered the deal with.
I could. But if you fail, then I die. And I'd prefer not to. Now, I have things to do. No hard feelings. Guards!
So the day ends with you fleeing the Shurta after all. Order or no, Governor Muhammad is no friend to the Hidden Ones. I have seen enough from my 3 suspects. Time to seek Roshan's counsel and end this once and for all.